You think Hoover Dam just powers Las Vegas? Wrong. 1935. They didn't build the world's largest concrete structure for cities. They built it to contain something. Beneath Lake Mead sits a classified facility drawing 4.2 billion watts daily. Not for lights, for an interdimensional barrier. The Book of Enoch describes 70 fallen watchers sealed behind great waters and stone. Recent power grid spikes suggest the seal is failing. Workers report strange vibrations from the lake floor. Equipment malfunctions near certain coordinates. Something wants out, and our electricity bill is keeping it trapped.